When choosing a web host, uptime is one of the most important factors. It tells you how reliable your website will be and how often it stays online without interruptions. So, how does FastComet perform when it comes to uptime? FastComet promises a 99.9% uptime guarantee, which is pretty standard in the industry. But in our real world tests, FastComet actually performed even better. Over a 6 month monitoring period, FastComet maintained an impressive uptime of 99.98%. That means downtime was extremely rare and usually lasted only a few minutes if it happened at all. This reliability is thanks to their use of multiple global data centers with redundant power supplies and network connections. Plus, FastComet's proactive monitoring and quick support helps prevent extended outages. For small businesses and growing websites, this level of uptime means your visitors won't experience frustrating downtime and your sales or leads won't be interrupted. So, if uptime and reliability are top priorities, FastComet stands out as a solid choice. Check the description for full uptime reports and more details. If you found this helpful, hit the like button. Leave your questions below and subscribe for more hosting performance reviews.